Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into your older Dell PowerEdge servers. Specifically, we're diving into this 4 terabytes, 7.2K, 6 gigabits per second, 3.5-inch SAS hard drive. If you're running a PowerEdge R310, R410, R510, R710, T310, T410, T610, or T710, and you're feeling the storage pinch, this could be a fantastic solution. This drive boasts a generous 4 terabytes capacity. Model number ST4000M0023, which is a significant upgrade from many of these systems. The 7200 RPM spindle speed ensures decent performance for general server tasks, and the 6 gigabits per second SAS interface provides a fast and reliable connection. One of the best things about this particular offering is that it comes with a hot swap caddy. This is crucial for minimizing downtime during upgrades or replacements. You can simply slide out the old drive and slide in the new one without having to power down the entire server, which is a huge time saver. Now, it's important to remember that this is a SAS drive, so it's specifically designed for servers. You won't be able to use it in a standard desktop computer. Also, make sure your server supports SAS drives before purchasing. The 3.5-inch form factor is standard for these PowerEdge servers, so installation should be straightforward. Just be sure to follow the proper procedures for your specific server model. While it's a generic branded drive, the specifications align with what you'd expect from a reliable server-grade hard drive. The 1-year warranty provides some peace of mind, although it's always a good idea to back up your data regularly, regardless of the warranty. Overall, if you're looking for a cost-effective way to expand the storage capacity of your Dell PowerEdge server, this 4 terabytes SAS hard drive is definitely worth considering. The included hot swap caddy, ample storage, and decent performance make it a solid choice for many applications. Just double-check compatibility with your server model before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.